Go to the Appliance Cost Checker tool on the Consumer Council's website. Step 1. Select your appliance from the list. Step 2. Tell us how you use your appliance. Step 3. Use the sliders to personalize your appliance usage. This will calculate your appliance overview, showing estimated costs and give you advice on how to save energy and money. You will also be shown how you compare with the average appliance usage in Northern Ireland. Follow our energy saving tips on using your appliances. You could save money by switching supplier, switching billing method, or switching tariff. You can check how much it costs to run lots of other appliances in your home too. Try the Appliance Cost Checker tool for free at consumercouncil.org.uk.